Hello, LinkedIn Local Montreal is back, and I'm very excited to welcome our special guest speaker, Samantha Kris. So, Samantha is a best selling author, an award winning speaker, and head of people and culture at Goldcast. She has been recognized for her leadership, community involvement, and ability to mobilize change. Samantha, why should we reinvent ourselves and why now?
Oh, why shouldn't we? And why not now is the question. I think that we have always been reinventing ourselves. If we look back and we find these kind of artifacts of our lives, we realize that there have always been sometimes subtle, sometimes large changes. And why I think now is most top of mind for people is that the last year and a half has shown that we can change, that we should change, that good things can come from change. And so I'm really excited to bring this topic to LinkedIn Local Montreal and specifically to focus on how we can take social media to help navigate that journey and find the people who we need to really link arms with and embark on that change journey with us.
Excellent. So the keynote or the talk about how to use social media to reinvent ourselves is upcoming on the LinkedIn Local Montreal on 27th of September from 6 to 8 p.m. So grab your ticket and please write in the comments below how do you describe your relationship with social media and if it helps you to reinvent yourselves. Okay, see you. Bye bye, Samantha.
Bye, see you soon.